Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. My name is Anna and I am very happy you are here with me today. Let me ask you a question. Did you know you can improve your English in just 5 minutes a day? Yes, just 5 minutes. Many people believe they must study English for many hours every day, but that is not always true. Sometimes small habits are more powerful than long study sessions. Small habits, simple habits, habits you do every day. Little by little, your English grows. Learning English is like growing a plant. You give the plant a little water every day. The plant becomes stronger. Your English works the same way. Practice a little every day. Before we start today's lesson, I have a small favour to ask. If you enjoy this lesson, please click like. And please subscribe to Learn English with Mr. Bond. When you subscribe, you never miss a new lesson. Also remember, you can download the worksheet for today's lesson. The worksheet will help you practice the vocabulary and sentences from this episode. The link is in the description. All right, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin learning English together. 2. Main Part A. Morning habits. Our first habit is called the 5-minute morning habit. This habit is very simple. When you wake up in the morning, before you check your phone, before you leave your bed, think 3 sentences in English, simple sentences. For example, I am hungry. The sun is bright. I want coffee. Now let's practice together. Listen first. I am hungry. Pause. Now repeat with me. I am hungry. Good. Next sentence. The sun is bright. Pause. Say it with me. The sun is bright. Very good. Next sentence. I want coffee. Pause. Repeat. I want coffee. Excellent. This small habit helps your brain start thinking in English. Your English brain wakes up, and it only takes 5 minutes. Now let's talk about the second habit. Change the language on your phone to English. At first, it may feel strange, but you already know your phone. You know where settings is. You know where messages is. You know where camera is. Now you will see these words in English every day, many times a day, maybe 50 times, maybe 100 times. This is called passive learning. You learn English while living your life. Now here is the third habit, the label habit. Take small pieces of paper, write English words, put them on objects in your house. For example, mirror, door, window, fridge, sink. Let's practice the vocabulary together. Repeat after me. Mirror. Pause. Mirror. Good. Fridge. Pause. Fridge. Excellent. Window. Pause. Window. Very good. Soon your house becomes a small English classroom. Now let's move to another habit. This one uses something many people enjoy. Social media. Many people watch short videos every day, so here is a helpful habit. Follow 3 English creators. Only 3. Choose topics you enjoy. Maybe cooking, maybe travel, maybe technology. When you watch short videos, you hear real English. Even if the video is only 30 seconds long, your ears become familiar with English sounds. Here is another helpful tip. Read the comments. People write real everyday English in the comments. For example, I love this. So funny. Great video. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I love this. Pause. I love this. Good. Now let's talk about the narrate your day habit. This habit helps your speaking. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am washing the dishes. Pause. Repeat with me. I am washing the dishes. Good. Next example. I am putting on my shoes. Pause. Say it again. I am putting on my shoes. Very good. Another example. I am opening the door. Pause. Repeat. I am opening the door. Excellent. You can practice speaking anytime. No partner needed. Just speak. Practice makes progress. Now let's talk about technology. Technology can help us learn English faster. Habit number 6, talk to AI for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Ask simple questions. For example, what is the weather today? Or say, today I worked. I ate pasta. I am tired. The AI answers you. You listen. You speak. This becomes a small conversation. It is like having a teacher in your pocket. Now here is another fun habit. Habit number 7. 1 song a day. Listen to 1 English song. Look at the lyrics. Lyrics are the words in the song. Music helps your brain remember English. Let's practice a sentence from a song. Listen. I want to go. Pause. Now repeat with me. I want to go. Excellent. Songs teach rhythm. They teach pronunciation. They make learning fun. Now here is another habit. The English shopping list. Let me tell you a small story. Yesterday I went to the supermarket. Before I left home, I wrote my shopping list in English. Milk, bread, apples, rice, chicken. When I was in the store, I looked at my list. Then I looked at the real food. The English word and the object connected in my brain. This helps memory. Now repeat after me. Bread. Pause. Bread. Milk. Pause. Milk. Apples. Pause. Apples. Excellent. Let's review the habits we learned today. Habit 1. 5-minute morning sentences. Habit 2. Change your phone language to English. Habit 3. Put labels on objects in your house. Habit 4. Follow English creators. Habit 5. Narrate your day. Habit 6. Talk to AI for 2 minutes. Habit 7. Listen to 1 English song. Habit 8. Write your shopping list in English. Habit 9. Write 1 sentence in a journal at night. For example, today was a busy day. Listen. Today was a busy day. Pause. Now say it with me. Today was a busy day. Very good. After 1 month, you will have 30 sentences in English. You will see your progress and you will feel proud. Remember to download the worksheet for this lesson. The worksheet will help you practice vocabulary and speaking. Today we learned something important. Learning English does not need to be difficult. You do not need many hours every day. You only need small daily habits. 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 10 minutes. Small habits every day. This is called consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly, even when the step is small. Your English will grow slowly, like a plant. And remember something important. Mistakes are normal. Every sentence you speak is progress. Before we finish, I want to ask you a question. Which habit will you try first? The morning sentences, the music habit, the AI conversation? Write your answer in the comments below. I love reading your stories. If this lesson helped you today, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn English with Mr. Bond and share this lesson with a friend who wants to learn English. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.